Hey, hi all. So today I'm gonna share a tip on how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 for free. Okay, and I believe you can implement this technique, and you would be able to watch the FIFA World Cup from any part of the world. Okay, so I'm from India. Now, the technique that I have used is first I have installed VPN. Okay, so first of all, you need to, in your normal Chrome, what do you need to do? You need to open Chrome browser, let's say, and you should look for a VPN. Okay, so if I consider ExpressVPN, uh, this is not completely free. Okay, you'll have to subscribe for this, and I'm a Mac user, so I'm using Proton VPN. Proton VPN. Okay, if you type this keyword, you will get to this particular um, resource or the website, and you can download it by signing it. You can download it. Once you install this, you will get to see in your application space Proton VPN. So if you'll have to run this first. Okay, if you run this, then this kind of window will pop up, and here what you'll have to do, you'll have to select a server. So by default, um, it would be United States server. In your case, if you are getting a different server, you can test it out. Country wise search bar is given, so you can make a search over here. Okay, and this USA server is free, so that's why it is written US free. All the server is not free, so you'll have to check as per your country location. I'm from India, but I can use the USA server, so that's why I'm using VPN. So that is the advantage of VPN. Correct. You can test it out for Windows. You need to ensure which particular VPN is supported in your operating system, and accordingly you can get the VPN and you can select the server. That's it. Once you're connected with the server, what you'll have to do, you'll have to go to your incognito window. Correct, this is the incognito window, and next you'll have to go to your incognito window and then just paste this particular link, tubetv.com. Probably I made the correct pronunciation, tubetv.com. Okay, now what I'll have to do, you'll have to just sign in to watch free. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, that if you install it for the very first time, you might get asked for the login. Okay, you'll have to sign up or sign in using your Google ID. That's it. Once you are done, you can go to your um, incognito window, and from there you can select your Gmail and you can sign into this particular tubetv.com uh, website or account, I would say. Once you are successfully signed into this, you'll be able to watch the match. So I'll show it to you quickly. Though this is not the match time, but still you can get a sense how it functions. Give me a moment. It is getting redirected. See? So this is not the match time. um, Once it is live, you'll be able to see it over here. Okay, so this is the way, this is the quick tip. And I hope this is applicable to mobile. I'm not pretty sure. I asked Perplexity uh, whether this is applicable to mobile or not. Perplexity is saying yeah, you can uh, watch it from mobile as well, but I don't trust uh, Perplexity or any GPT model. So you need to verify it from your end. If it is applicable for mobile, then it's good to go. You can experiment with this. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.